Okay, so this is to our builder, the contractors. The front is more or less fine. That's all okay. It is raining today. I did notice a drip. Oh, it might be from that, so that's fine. As long as there's no damp issue. So this cladding, this needs to all go really. It makes the place look a bit too old, and then we'll put some new carpets down there. That needs to be painted. Okay, so first things first, close the door. We need to make a decision on this door. It's perfectly functional. The previous owner really looked after the place, but unfortunately it does give a certain look and it's very dated. So the first decision you have to make is whether you want to keep the door, which is perfectly functional, or replace it with another door. Maybe we can modernize the rest of the property and then leave that. Up to you. These wallpaper though, these are really old. I think Artex or something they're called. I think we're just going to have to paint over it because I'm not even sure you can take this off the wall actually. Yeah, so potentially just paint over it, paint over that as well. Well, maybe we should leave that. It does need a new fuse board. This needs a banister along here to make it safe and compliant. Obviously recarpeting throughout. Now the kitchen, it just needs a new kitchen, so that's pretty straightforward. The blinds, I think are fine. So actually, they're a bit old, but you know, maybe we can. I had difficulties opening them, so maybe we can have that looked at. But otherwise, maybe just a clean. The wallpaper again, you know, if we can strip it off, but I suspect this is going to be almost impossible. In which case, just paint over it, and hopefully modern kitchen cabinets will make the place look a lot nicer. Paint the ceiling as well. Change that light to one of those circular things, bulkhead things. And then we need some laminate flooring in here. I think that's it really. This might need to be taken back because in there is the waste pipe. Well, there's, oh, okay. I'm not sure what that is, but I'm pretty sure that needs replacing. Okay. This I'd like to keep if we can, because it opens up the space. So this flooring down here actually is in really good condition. So if we can, we should try and keep this. Wallpaper, if we can, strip the wallpaper off, then certainly strip all the wallpaper off and then repaint the wall white. Lights are fine, ceiling's fine, just redecorate. Curtains actually really good condition. So hopefully we can keep those. These are new windows, so that's really good. Very, very easy to manage garden. So that just needs trimming back right at the end. Unfortunately, I don't have the keys for the back. So I can't access them, and it's very obvious there anyway. We need to make sure that this, if this is gas, then it's capped off. Just to be on the safe side. Probably get an electrician out first to see if it needs a rewire or not. If it does need a rewire, then that's the first thing we should do, because potentially we'd have to cut, or you'd have to cut into the walls. New carpets throughout. Okay, so let's go to the, that's fine, new boiler. This is all presentable. Right, so basically new bathroom, although that's in good condition, that's in good condition, that's in good condition. So potentially keep those. To be fair, the tiles are quite good as well. So potentially a decision, you have to make a decision here. Well, take all the tiles off and retile. So retile that side only and then repaint this side. Or, because these tiles are in good condition, just regrout throughout and make it look a lot more modern, and then reseal everything. So basically remove all that, all the silicone, do that all again. A new shower screen going across here. I'm pretty sure we need a new shower unit there, and also that doesn't look very safe, and I'm pretty sure water will eventually get into there, so maybe sort that out. New bathroom light and a new panel, because once we start moving everything around, let's do the flooring. I'm pretty sure it has buckled, there you go. And then new line of flooring throughout here as well. It's uneven, so let's keep in mind. That's fine. Doors are all fine. All right, so bedroom, one of the bedrooms. Unfortunately, the light doesn't work, but this is straightforward. Repaint the walls, and then new carpeting. That's it, really. The only decision we have to make in here is if it needs a rewire, then obviously it needs a rewire. Okay, so it's just repaint, really. In here, again, strip the wallpaper off, redecorate, and new carpet. And actually, if we can paint this white as well, because this color is quite dated. Obviously repaint that. And final bedroom, no light bulbs, which is weird. Again, strip all the wallpaper and then recarpet. Radiators seem fine, and in here as well, just repaint this white gloss, and that's the garden. Really quiet area. Okay, I think that should be it, really. It's relatively straightforward. So first thing is getting an electrician out to see if it needs a rewire or not, because we do need an electrical installation report to get it let. And then it's new kitchen, new bathroom. On these walls, where you can't take them, they're not wallpaper, then just repaint them white throughout. Where there is wallpaper, ideally we'd strip the wallpaper off and repaint the walls white, and then it's carpeting, grey carpeting throughout. So all of the upstairs bedrooms, the landing, the stairs, leave the laminate flooring down here, along here. Strip this wallpaper, repaint. That should be fine. Make sure that is capped and safe and not working. And the fuse board. In here will be new vinyl flooring or lino flooring, and then a new kitchen. Ideally, we'd like to try and save that. And I think that is it. All right, hopefully that's been helpful. See ya.